Understanding the phrase, patch, in English. Hey there, English learners. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, patch. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use it in various contexts and situations. Let's get started. A patch is essentially a small piece of material used to cover a hole or to reinforce an area. Think of a patch you'd put on torn jeans or a punctured tire. Example 1. I have a hole in my jeans, so I need to sew a patch on it. Example 2. The bicycle tire had a puncture, so I applied a patch. In the world of technology, patch refers to a software update meant to fix bugs or vulnerabilities. Example 1. The software had a security flaw, but the company released a patch to fix it. Example 2. Make sure to install the latest patches to keep your computer safe. There are some common phrases and idioms that incorporate the word patch. Here are a few. 1. Go through a rough patch. This means to experience a difficult or challenging period in life. 2. Example. She's going through a rough patch after losing her job, but she's hopeful. 3. Patch things up. This means to reconcile or mend a relationship after a dispute. 4. Example. After their argument, they decided to patch things up. Patch can also appear in different forms, such as 1. Patchwork. This refers to something made of various different parts, often referring to fabrics sewn together in a pattern. 2. Example. She made a beautiful patchwork quilt. 3. Patched up. This can mean something repaired hurriedly or makeshift. 4. Example. The old barn looked patched up, with various wooden boards covering the holes. And there you have it. Whether you're talking about mending clothes, updating software, or navigating life's challenges, the word patch has a rich tapestry of meanings in the English language. We hope this video has enlightened you about its usage and nuances. Until next time, happy learning!